Hi friends. For our math journal today, we're going to do the true or false page. Now, I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay, friends, now I'm going to cut these off at the bottom. So I have some addition sentences at the bottom. I'm going to cut those off. I'm going to get them cut out. All right, now I'm going to cut out each one. All right, I almost have them all cut out. Okay, now I'm going to put them to the side. Okay, I'm going to pick one. The first one I'm picking up says 1 plus 4 equals 4. Now I'm going to decide, is that true or false? So I need to figure out, does 1 plus 4 equal 4? One strategy I can use is to draw a picture. So I'm going to draw 1. And then under here, I'm going to draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to add that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 4 equals 4. That is not true. Watch how I do that on the number line. Using the number line, I'm going to start at 1, and I'm going to go forward 4 to show 1 plus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I also landed on 5. So 1 plus 4 does not equal 4. That is false. That is not true. That's not the right answer. So we're going to glue it on the side that says false. Okay, my friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. So if the answer is correct, you'll glue it under true. If the answer is not correct, like the one we just did, you'll glue it under false. Remember, you can draw a picture. You can use the number line like I just showed you. You can use your fingers. So you can say 1 and 4, and you can count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can tap your chin while you're counting. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, my friends, use whichever strategy works best for you, and then glue them under the correct answer. All right, we will see you back here at the end of the day.